Have you ever wondered about some of the more unique and adventurous dishes you might spot on a dim sum cart? Perhaps something with a wonderfully distinctive texture and flavor. Today, we are exploring one such dish, a true staple in many traditional Chinese restaurants. In dim sum restaurants, tripe is most commonly served as steamed beef omasum, often seasoned with a savory ginger and scallion sauce, offering a tender yet slightly chewy texture that is a favorite among connoisseurs. The reason this particular type of tripe, known as omasum, is favored for dim sum is its unique structure. Omasum is one of the four compartments of a cow's stomach, characterized by its many delicate folds or leaves. This structure allows it to absorb flavors exceptionally well while maintaining a pleasing, firm bite. Chefs meticulously clean and blanch the tripe before slow steaming it, which is crucial for achieving its signature tenderness and removing any strong odors. The steaming process also allows the rich ginger and scallion marinade to fully penetrate each layer. When you are ready to enjoy this delightful dish, simply look for a small bamboo steamer basket containing thin, pale pieces of beef tripe, glistening with a light sauce. It is usually served warm and is best eaten fresh from the cart. You can easily pick up the individual pieces with your chopsticks and enjoy them plain, or dip them in a little chili oil for an extra kick. A fascinating detail about dim sum tripe is that its preparation reflects a zero-waste culinary philosophy, utilizing every part of the animal with skill and creativity. Historically, tripe was an affordable cut, transformed into a delicacy through careful preparation and seasoning. The specific name for this dish in Cantonese, ngao pak yip, directly translates to beef 100 leaves, referring to the distinctive folds of the omasum. This highlights the deep cultural appreciation for texture and careful preparation in Chinese cuisine. Embracing this traditional dim sum offering opens up a world of rich flavors and textures, offering a culinary adventure that showcases the inventive and delicious possibilities of Chinese cooking. It is a testament to how humble ingredients can become celebrated dishes through expert technique and thoughtful seasoning, enriching your dim sum experience.